camera now takes us west again across the map, this time to India, to the province of Sindh. Within the great Indian empire, there's always been a host of problems. Sindh provides a particularly thorny one. The Hers are a tribe of outlaws, murdering both Muslims and Hindus and all who would follow the arts of peace. The government of Sindh has been compelled to take action. Cooperation was freely given by the neighboring Indian states. The forces sent to settle the trouble included state troops raised by the princes themselves. And our own troops included airborne. The leaders were arrested and tried after the proclamation of martial law. Their weapons were taken from them, and they were able to cool off in jail and discuss whether the sword was mightier, and to decide who really started it.